Hey y'all, got another Halloween DIY and this is my favorite so far. It turned out so cute. I hope y'all like it. Okay, I'm showing y'all what I was using. Got some of that mesh with spider webs on it. Some lights, those are orange ones. And everything except the little spider, the glitter spiders, and my paint is from Dollar Tree. Everything else. That's pretty good. That my paint. I'm still using my metallic paints because I think they look cool for Halloween. I was having trouble finding where to get it to make it clear. It's a day, y'all. I finally get it a little better. I used gold, bronze, and copper. Should have just told you that instead of trying to show you. And then I got them spiders I got at the at-home store. And the 3 houses from Dollar Tree. I spray painted them black. And I used some moss from Dollartreediy. First one, I'm using my copper. Still using that same little tube. And I just put all the copper paint on it until I get it looking the way I like. Mostly going up and down strokes because I think that makes it look good. This one's my favorite. So even though it's simple, it ends up being the one I like the best. Maybe because I like that copper color. Either way, I think it turns out cool. I've seen several people do these haunted houses and stuff. And a lot of them just left them black, which that looks cool too when you put lights behind it. But I wanted to paint on mine a little bit. Then I saw some people really decorate them, add shutters and all that. And I think that's cool, but I didn't want to do that much detail on mine. I just liked adding some paint and giving them some texture. See how cool that one's looking? I really like it. Looks old and weathered. Okay, almost done. There it goes. Don't it look cool? I think it's neat. And then for this one, I did the copper up on the little peaks and on the little balcony and fence areas. I decided I was going to use 2 colors on this one. So I used the copper and the gold. Copper, I guess, supposed to represent wood on this. Or trim or something anyway. I did the little bat and the little ghost in copper too. I could have left it like that. It was cute, but I decided I wanted to add some gold too. See? It looked cute, but I come back and add gold. Now this little one, I used some copper at first on the peaks and the little trim areas and stuff. And then I decided I'm going to use the bronze color on this one after I finish with the copper. I added little window sills and stuff. I was trying to make them all 3 different. That's what it looked like then. This is when I go back to the other one. I was letting some stuff dry in between. This is where I add the gold one. These are all metallic paints. I think I said that, but just in case I didn't. Add the gold and send it up to where the copper is. It looks cool. Wow, this is my second favorite. My son likes this one best. It is kind of neat. I like the house shape. It's really cool. Kind of wonky and spooky looking. I'm just doing my gold paint on there everywhere I didn't have the copper. It shows up better than any of the other colors. So if you wanted something that was brighter, use the gold. I should have had a bigger paintbrush. It wouldn't have took me as long to do it, but oh well. I end up liking the way it looks. I just have to remember if I do anything else like this, use a bigger paintbrush. Thought I might get 2 DIYs done today, but I didn't. I'm not feeling best in the world, so I just stopped after I got this one done because it turned out cute. It took me an hour to do. Almost done with this one. I think it looks neat with the gold and the copper. There you go. See? It looks cool. Now I'm going back with the bronze on the little one. And I put it everywhere I didn't have the copper. And it looks cool, but it takes away too much of the black. It ends up being too dark. You'll see here in a minute after I get it all painted, I'll show you. Or it ends up being too one color or something. Anyway, it don't look right. Not too dark. It's just too one tone. I tried to blend everything in together. I thought maybe that would help. It don't look terrible, but I didn't like it. I'll show you here in a minute. I kept trying to fix it, and nah, it didn't work. Oh, I thought, well, maybe make the copper more. Go all the way around the windows. That helped some, but not enough. Still needed to do something else. It was cool to have 3 different size houses. That was neat, I thought. There we go. Check it out. Still don't like it. See? It's not terrible, but I didn't like it. So I decided what it needed was some more black added back. Because the other 2, you could still see the black through more. And after this, I like it better. Still my least favorite, but I like it better than I did before. Just in a minute, the black helps. Makes it look more weathered and old instead of just faded. I was just fiddling with it, trying to get it look the way I wanted it to. I'm almost done. To be a little house, it took the longest. There you go. See, that looks better. I like it a lot better. Now, I forgot to film putting the spiderweb tool on the back of that one, but I film it when I do the little one. Don't it look so cool, especially around the ghost? Here, I'll show you. I just cut it all down and put it where it shows through the door and the windows. It took me a while to get it cut, and I finally cut it apart. Yeah, do it 2 sections. That made it a lot easier. Excuse me. I was fighting with that hot glue again. Like always. I string that stuff all the way around my room, I think. All the way across the desk, I know. But I get it up afterwards, so I guess it's okay. I'm almost done with that little glue gun, glue sticks. But I got me a new one I'm going to start using soon. Maybe it'll work better. Got one of those Gorilla glue gun kind. I hear people talk about them a lot, say they're good. So we shall see. This one I just did in little pieces. That worked out a lot better. Figuring out what way I wanted everything to go. It looks so cool, see? You see all the spider webs. I think it's neat. I thought about construction paper, but then I saw that and I thought, no, I won't do that. Now I'm gluing them to that board. The little one was easiest because it had a stand on the bottom. The others I had to glue parts to the little one and then put the glue on the edge at the bottom and glue them down. This seems to be holding pretty good. And putting the last one on there. Sorry y'all can't see it better. I got to figure all that stuff out. But I'll show you here in a minute what it looks like. It looks cute all put together. See? Trying to show you. Hard to get all that big old thing. There you go. It looks cute. Then I'm going to add a couple spiders. Add some more color and some more dimension to it. I didn't know if I wanted that up there or not, but in the end I did. I put it back up there. Put some good glue on his head and his butt. Stick him on there. And then I remembered I had this bat that I got with some flowers, and I decided to put it on the other house, but it was too gray, so I added some black paint to it. I like it better after that. Got paint all over myself, so I had to clean up. Yeah, glued it little wings on there. I had a thing to poke it through that hole up there, but it still needed glued a little bit. Then I'm adding my moss on the bottom because I thought that looked spooky. It turns out so cute. That little bag of moss goes a long way, huh? That's a good value. And that stuff. I'm going to use it in my next DIY too. I already got it planned what I'm going to do. Might be next week, but I'll get to it. Won't be too long. I'm trying to get all Halloween done. Because I know everybody else going to be starting Christmas. Yeah, shake all the moss off. Glue a little more where I needed it. Fight with the glue. And I trimmed it off so it'd all be even on the front. See how cute? Cleaned up and tried to show y'all what it looked like best I could. I think it's turning out cool. I love the 3 different colors on the houses. And it's showing you the lights I used. Orange ones from Dollartreediy. And I just used regular old Scotch tape to tape them on the back because it's not going to be outside or nothing. If it comes off, I'll change it. But I didn't want to hot glue the lights. I hot glued the battery pack thing on, but I didn't want to do the actual light cords. I didn't know about that. I may have to get some electric tape and put on them if it starts falling off. But we'll see what happens. I just tried to figure out places to put it and make it look okay. I probably should have had 2 strands of lights, but it still looks cool in the end. I like it. See there? Don't it look cute? Showing y'all some closer shots of that spider. Them is mutant spiders, huh? If they're that big on them houses. I would be running. Anyway, I think it turned out so cute. I hope y'all like it. Please let me know in the comments. And if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I got a few more subscribers last week. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all again soon.